Hey Nick, how you doing there? This right here is the one and only Tavon here from National N. Thank you for responding to my help, my request so fast. But I still feel like I'm doing something wrong. Um, it's like, man, I'm off track. And to tell you the truth, I would really like to start from the beginning, all over again, because I know I'm probably missing 1,000 steps. Now you said you asked me, you were like all right, hi Tavon, thanks for writing in. It looks like your repository associated with this page is empty. Okay. And then you said, have you pushed your site concept to GitHub? All right. Click this right here. I'm like, all right, don't really understand what I'm doing. So it says add the README file. Help people interested in this project understand your project by adding the README file. Okay, maybe I should do that. But all right, I'm supposed to just use this right here, right, to see my page, but it's not happening. And then you said, okay, I'm using the desktop one. And I guess when you push everything that was downloaded here gets pushed once you sync. Excuse me. As you can see, I've already pushed it right here. Okay, I got the second one, I got the first one, the second one, and then I even made a third one. You should see it. Yeah, the third. So I guess you can tell when it's pushed when you don't see it here, but you do see it here. But here are my files, man. You know, I've already pushed it here. And then I go to the website. I'm going to type in the regular. Well, this is for the third one. I typed it in like they tell me to do. They told me just to go here. And I see 404. All right. For one repository. So then I go to another one. I go to the other one. And it tells me to, all right, put that. And press that and still 404. I'm like, wow. I mean, I don't know, maybe the site doesn't like me or something. And then, okay, so you come down here and you said if using GitHub Desktop for Windows, like the video, it says, then once you commit your changes, 4 minutes and 35 seconds in the video, you'll click Publish button at the top of the right. From then on, the sync button will be used to press. Okay. All right, so you said 435. Let's go to 435 and check it out.
Hit publish. And as you can see, it says syncing right now. Now what this will do is upload our code, in this case our website, onto our repository. So now let's just give it a minute or two. Okay, as you can see, it has finished because now it just says sync. There is nothing else to do with this program over here. Now, just go ahead and open up your web browser and type in your username. In my case, it's parcrew, and then .github.io, essentially the way our repository is named. Now, once you do that, you will be presented with your website. It's now hosted on GitHub, and it also has a domain, which is your username.
Okay, maybe I need to go back to... Alright, I'm probably missing something here. I remember that folder needs to have files in it, and I believe I already put it in there. It was GitHub. Alright, we got 2 here. Oh, okay, that folder's empty. I think because it's been pushed. Yeah, so I'm guessing when you push it, that means you're pulling these files out of this folder and pushing it to the repository, which I did. Is there any way we can meet remotely? You know, I know this is probably easy, man, but it's... Alright, let me keep trying. I guess I probably have to delete my whole account and start afresh. That's what I probably got to do, because I followed this thing to a T. I did, and still I was like, wow. I mean, maybe, and honestly, I thought that maybe because the first time when I watched this video, he was using Google Web Designer. But then on the second video, he was using Adobe Muse. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I should get Adobe Muse, because maybe my files aren't syncing up with GitHub. Okay, so if you can meet with me online, man, or Skype or something, I appreciate it. But I'm gonna keep on trying. All right, God bless, man. Talk to you later.